Are you ready for the latest on Hurricane Beryl? Here's what you need to know. This Category 4 hurricane is bringing winds of up to 140 miles per hour, causing widespread damage and power outages. Authorities have issued mandatory evacuation orders for coastal areas. Residents are advised to seek shelter immediately and avoid unnecessary travel. Emergency services are on high alert, and relief efforts are already underway. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor this dangerous storm. Remember, your safety is the top priority. Keep following us for the latest developments on Hurricane Beryl. Stay safe, everyone.